Are you a student tired of being broke? What if I told you a free AI tool, ChatGPT, can help you earn real money online, right from your phone or laptop? No coding, no investment, no experience required, just smart work. Let's dive into 5 powerful ways to start earning with ChatGPT today. We'll break down step by step how you can go from zero to real income using just your brain and this insane AI. Forget everything you thought you knew about side hustles. This is a game changer. I'm not just telling you about these methods. I'll show you how easy it is to get started. We're talking about turning your study time into cash, your social media scrolling into a business, and your ideas into products you can sell. The only thing separating you from success is knowing how to do it. Let's get started. First up, freelance writing. You don't need to be a writer. With ChatGPT, you have a pro writer at your fingertips, 24/7. Here's the plan. Go to Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, sites where people need blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and more. Create a profile as an AI-enhanced copywriter. Set up your first gig, a 500-word blog post for $10. Start low to get reviews. When a client hires you, they'll give you a topic. Go to ChatGPT and craft a specific prompt like, write a 500-word SEO-friendly blog post for beginners about the top 5 benefits of yoga in a friendly tone. ChatGPT generates the article in seconds. But don't just copy-paste. Edit, check facts, and add your own touch. Make it sound like you. Run it through Grammarly for grammar and Quillbot for paraphrasing. This makes your work polished and unique. Deliver the article. Clients love clean, error-free writing. Get a few 5-star reviews, then raise your prices. That $10 gig can become $50 or $100. Imagine writing 2 $50 articles a day, $100 for maybe an hour's work. As a student, that's huge. Every business, website, and influencer needs content. The demand is endless. By positioning yourself as an AI-powered freelance writer, you're tapping into a market desperate for what you offer. Don't sleep on this method. It's simple, effective, and you can start right now. Method 2. Become a YouTube script writer. Every video starts with a script, and most YouTubers hate writing them. There are millions of channels, gaming, cooking, fitness, tech, and more, all needing scripts. With ChatGPT, you don't need experience. Just know how to prompt the AI. For example, write a 500-word YouTube script for a gaming channel, titled Top 10 Hidden Secrets in Tears of the Kingdom. Make it exciting, with an engaging hook, a list of 10 secrets, and a call to action. Suggest visuals. ChatGPT gives you a full script, intro to outro, with visual cues. How do you find clients? Look for mid-sized channels, 10K, 100K subs. Find their business email and send a personalized pitch. Watch a few videos, mention what you like, and offer to write one script for free or cheap. Use ChatGPT to deliver an amazing script. Once they see your quality, they'll want more. Build a portfolio of your best scripts. Now you can charge real money, $50 to $150 per script. Land one YouTuber on retainer. 4 scripts a month at $100 each is $400/month from one client. Using ChatGPT, each script might take just a couple of hours. Be professional, reliable, and always add your human touch. Read scripts out loud, match the YouTuber's style, and you'll build a reputation as a go-to scriptwriter. Method 3. Become a social media content creator and manager. Every business needs to be on social media, but most don't know what to post. That's where you come in, with ChatGPT as your secret weapon. Find a small business, local restaurant, boutique, gym, or online coach. Check their social media. If it's inconsistent or boring, they're your ideal client. Offer a monthly package for $200. Provide 15 high-quality posts. Image or video idea, caption, and hashtags. To the business owner, this is a huge time saver. Use ChatGPT. Act as a social media manager for a cozy coffee shop. Generate 15 Instagram post ideas, each with a caption, emojis, and trending hashtags. ChatGPT gives you a full content calendar in seconds. Your job? Refine the output, match the brand's voice, and schedule posts using free tools like Meta Business Suite or Buffer. You can schedule a month's content in one afternoon. Do this for multiple clients at once. 3 clients at $200 each. That's $600/month. 5 clients, $1,000 month. To get your first client, offer a free 1-week trial. Use ChatGPT to create 7 posts. When they see the results, they'll want to keep you. Use ChatGPT for Reels, TikTok ideas, and contests too. Businesses want a stress-free professional social media presence. With ChatGPT, you deliver that better and faster than anyone else. Next up, get paid for studying by selling your study materials. Use ChatGPT to create summaries, flashcards, and practice quizzes from your class notes. For example, ask, summarize the key processes of cellular respiration in simple language with analogies, or create 50 digital flashcards for photosynthesis. Term on one side, definition on the other. Or generate a 20-question multiple-choice quiz on Mendelian genetics with answers. Package these as a study guide. Summary, flashcards, quiz. Sell to classmates via Facebook groups, WhatsApp, or Discord. Complete bio, 101 study package. Summary, 50 flashcards, quiz, for $5. If 20 students buy, that's $100 for one exam. Repeat for every class, midterm, and final. You can also upload guides to StudyPool or Course Hero for passive income. Quality is key. Use ChatGPT for the heavy lifting, but always check accuracy and add your own notes. The better your guides, the more people will buy and recommend you. Become the go-to study resource on campus. The final method, create and sell your own ebooks. With ChatGPT, you can go from idea to published ebook in a weekend. Pick a profitable niche, budgeting, podcasting, vegan recipes, investing, anything people want to learn. Use ChatGPT to outline your book. Create a chapter-by-chapter outline for a 40-page ebook titled The Broke Student's Guide to Financial Freedom. Then, generate each chapter. Write Chapter 1. Mindset is everything. 1,000 words, actionable tips, relatable tone. Edit, refine, and add your own stories. Make it your voice. Design a cover with Canva. Drag, drop, done. Upload to Amazon KDP for free. Set your price, and Amazon handles sales and delivery. You can also sell on Gumroad, Payhip, or your own social media. Ebooks are digital products. Create once, sell forever. True passive income. Promote with short videos on Instagram or TikTok. Share tips, then plug your ebook. If one video goes viral, you could sell hundreds of copies. Turn a weekend project into a real income stream. These 5 ChatGPT-powered methods can truly change your financial game as a student. Whether you want to cover expenses or save for your future, the opportunities are endless if you take action. We've covered everything from freelance writing and social media management to selling study notes and publishing an ebook. These are practical, step-by-step blueprints you can start using today. 1 hour of focused work could earn you more than a whole shift at a minimum wage job. Leverage technology to create real freedom for yourself. Study without financial stress, enjoy college, and build a better future. Don't just watch. Pick one method and try it for a week. AI is the biggest opportunity for your generation to build wealth. The playing field is level. It's about who adapts fastest. Start today, and a year from now, you'll be amazed at your progress. If you found value, like, subscribe, comment which method you'll try, and turn on notifications for more AI earning tips.